Hey everyone, welcome to TopNotch Nation. New episode today, as we promised. Come back for daily episodes every day, and today we have another really nice and special car here. It's ML55 AMG, guys. That's why it's so special in my opinion. It's 2001, really good and nice one. You can see the seat here. That's because we're driving our jets with it right now. AMG top cars, you know, it's really nice. It's nice and spacey. You can put a lot of things in here, guys, for your trip. I think about 800 liters of stuff you can put in here. It has as well a couple of more seats if you need to get with more girls or something like this, you know. So yeah, it's really nice. This looks really nice, and you know, you can drive it quite fast. It's very comfortable, guys. Yeah, well, we're gonna leave it open up, so the heat gets out of it because it was a bit sunny, and now the storm is coming again. So we're in a hurry to make this video, guys. So yeah, come in. Now let's check it out. Oh wow, where are the keys to that? Yeah, we're gonna start it up today just to hear it, you know, just to listen to the engine, of course, and show it off. It's really comfortable. It's really comfortable, to be honest. And what more I can say? For 2001, it has navigation. You know, a lot of airbags, automatic transmission. Wow, it has air conditioning and everything, ESP, and everything is electronic. Really good. So let's start it up. Let's see how it goes. Wow, that's a nice voice. Yeah, that's a good big engine. There is one thing actually that's really annoying here, and that's the parking. Excuse me. Let's pop up the hood. Yeah, that's really nice one. Yeah, okay. Starts with the brake. Thank you for helping me to pop up the hood. Let's see, where is that? How do we open that? You know, help me out, man. Where is the... okay, yeah. And you can see AMG did a great job with this. It's really nice tuning, you know, one of the best companies for tuning your Mercedes, and it costs a couple of more thousand grand. Look at that beauty. It still runs smoothly as it's coming straight from the factory, yeah? But that's how we do it here in TopNotch Nation, guys. Really nice one. Yeah. Wait, let me force it a bit so you see how it goes. Yeah, that's nice sound, everyone. Really good one. And what more we can say about this? It has about 348 horsepower. It's 5.4 liters engine. It has, I think, 550 Newton meters torque, which is amazing. It gives you 0.78 G's of acceleration. It's like, wow, amazing. And of course, some of the next episodes we're gonna take it for a spin, and you'll see how it goes. It's really nice. And whoa. Yeah, it's all right. So let's see. This is really comfortable drive, guys. They compare it to the Heat 320, and you can go for hours and hours on a long ride with this, and you don't get tired. That's like the main point. And the only one actually disadvantage of this car is its consumption of fuel, guys. You know, it consumes more than that Bentley that we saw. It goes from 25 to 30 liters, or how I like to say, as much as you push the pedal. It's all on you, you know, it's all on you. So you gotta have a fuel tank, you know, you gotta have a big fuel tank, maybe a lorry driver behind you, just to be sure that you're not gonna end up somewhere without fuel on the road. Yeah, that's its main disadvantage, unfortunately, you know. And as you can see, the storm is starting pretty soon. Yeah, weather is quite nice here today. At least it's not warm as usual, you know. So, you know, we can check out the back. You know, let's check out the back. Whoop. Yeah, wait, I'll open it up for you. Yeah. The back seats are really comfortable as well. To be honest, you see, we have a really nice AMG pillow here as well. Yeah, this, I don't know how much it costs actually, but it's not really cheap, and it's really comfortable at the back. Yes, to be honest, it's really comfortable at the back. Anyone, you can ride here for as long as you want. Yeah, and I can't wait really, to be honest. Can't wait to get to the seaside soon. On 14th of June, we're gonna receive the Sea-Doo jet, the newest one, 300 horsepower, and then we're gonna put it on the back and we're gonna ride to the seaside, guys, and we're gonna have a lot of nice videos there, as we promised. We're gonna have the stunts with jets, we're gonna have nice girls on the beach, and yeah, it's a lot more things to come, at TopNotch Nation. We're just starting up, it's just our first week, and I want to say thank you all for supporting us, to subscribing to our channel, you know. So give us a like for this video, turn on notifications, subscribe as well, and we'll see you tomorrow again. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.